Guys, we have officially begun our brand new second bull run. With crypto skyrocketing, Dogecoin is still lagging a little bit behind. I will be giving answers as to why this is happening in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade alerts. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable, and it's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've been making a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, and ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, like I've been saying, if you are the one who bought in at my trade alert when Dogecoin was just at 15 cents, we've seen huge profits ever since. That also goes for Bitcoin at 29,000 when I call it out. Ethereum at only 1,700 when I call it out. Guys, it's okay if you don't have a whole $1,700 or $29,000. You can just buy a little bit at a time, as little as you'd like. Guys, and just as I called it out, we blasted off all the way up to $43,000 on Bitcoin, $2,500 on Ethereum, and of course 21 cents on Dogecoin. And guys, this all just happened in about a week. And guys, like I called it out, our second bull run has now begun, especially with 12 consecutive green days on the Bitcoin charts. Guys, so as I've discussed previously, certain months historically are either bearish or bullish. Well, August is actually bullish historically. Guys, I am expecting huge pumps. There is a very good reason to believe and look at history. Guys, I am expecting huge pumps in early August, so get ready. You want to get in before this happens. Have some cash on the side to buy my alert when I call out the dip on my Patreon. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, all the fear, all the FUD is finally over. All the whales have run out of that ad money to put out articles with fake news to get the smaller retailer investor into selling. Guys, they're out of that now. They're done. So that's why we're headed straight up from here. Guys, some huge news. German law allowing institutional funds to hold crypto comes into effect on August 2nd. Guys, they are going to allow up to $415 billion worth of crypto to be purchased. Guys, this is huge. This will pour so much money into Bitcoin and other cryptos that you will see an even bigger pump on the already strong bull run. And guys, that's why you want to have my trade alerts on, for that rare time to buy in when the whales are sold out, when there's only a very short period to get in. Even on the uptrend, even on a bull run, these rare times, these rare dips are still a great way to make profits, and I've made a lot of money doing so. Some more huge news: Bitcoin supercycle sets up Q4 Bitcoin price top as liquid supply hits all-time high. Guys, in this article, it reaffirms that we will likely hit $100,000, $150,000 or around there for Bitcoin just by the end of this year. Even though all that fake and FUD news came out before, where I called it out, that market manipulation, where they were trying to convince people that even at 29,000, it wasn't a good buy on Bitcoin. And just as I called it out, guys, we just surpassed $42,000. But guys, the whales know what they're doing. You want to swim with the whales, and that's what I teach you. Because guys, the whales are the ones that got Bitcoin down so low. The fear, the fake news that they were putting out. I truly believe that Bitcoin would easily be $80, $90, $100,000 right now if it wasn't for that. And guys, that isn't even thinking about what Dogecoin or Ethereum would be right now. It also talks about how we're going to see new all-time highs early on next year. It talks about how we are in a super cycle because there is such a massive shortage in Bitcoin currently. This is also the case for Ethereum, which is causing the price of cryptos to skyrocket. And guys, as I'm sure you're wondering, why isn't Dogecoin skyrocketing as well along with them? Well guys, all the money pouring into Ethereum and Bitcoin right now, or at least most of it, is coming from institutions. When the retail investor sees that these coins are blasting off, they're going to want to jump on. They're going to have FOMO, they're going to have greed, and they're going to want to get in. Guys, you're already ahead of the curve watching these videos and knowing that you need to get in before this mass adoption happens. These crypto prices are still incredibly low, especially for all the institutions to buy in right now. However, as I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that rare time, so you're going to be able to get in no matter what, even if we are on an uptrend. Guys, institutions are now getting access to altcoins. It's not just going to be the retailer investor getting FOMO. It's going to be these big institutions and firms also wanting to buy in. Guys, but Dogecoin has been doing incredibly with 12 green days for Dogecoin as well. Minus 1 red day, it's still a huge milestone. But guys, as I've discussed previously, Dogecoin oftentimes does lag behind and then surprise us with a very high pump. So get ready for that. You don't want to get in after that happens, you want to get in before. Have patience, have diamond hands. You don't want to be like the retailer investors early on for Dogecoin that had paper hands and are now regretting it. Guys, now on the Fear and Greed Index, we are in the green. We are in the greed and people are now getting in like never before. Very high pumps are to come. Guys, this index is the same thing as a FOMO index. People get greedy when they see the prices going up. Guys, that's not when you want to buy in. You don't want to do what your emotions tell you, or you're likely to lose a lot of money. You want to make big profits just as my patrons have, so you want to do the opposite of what your emotions tell you. Guys, a Twitter user by the name Sentiment put out a tweet which says Bitcoin's exchange action was a primary initiator of the breakout we saw last week. Bitcoin's price has hit 42.5K. And there were huge exchange activity swings, favoring coins moving off of exchanges, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to push prices upwards. Guys, on the charts, we are seeing huge exchange outflows, which means people are moving their cryptocurrency from exchanges and into cold storage. Guys, they're putting it in places that they're planning on holding long term. Guys, what this does to the available supply on the exchanges, like Kraken, Robinhood, or Webull, what it does is it removes them because these exchanges only have so much cryptocurrency that they're able to sell to you. Guys, there may very well come a time when you can't even buy Bitcoin or Ethereum any longer. And if you are able to at that time, there will be a very, very high price because of how rare it is. Guys, it's just like a rare antique that you've been holding on to appreciate over time. It's valuable because it's rare. And that's the same thing that Bitcoin and Ethereum will become because there is a limited supply currently. And guys, the Dogecoin founders are working on this as well to make Dogecoin limited as well, which will inevitably allow it to become rare as well. And maybe a good while from now, however, you want to get in before this happens. Because when coins become limited to the point of being rare, to the point of Ethereum and Bitcoin have already, it could already be too late. Let's say a year, 2 years, or 5 years from now. Guys, we're moving up rapidly. However, if we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, we do see it had gone down. And now it's going right back up with some green candlesticks, but for every peak, we have to have a dip. So you want to be ready to buy the dip after we see this peak, because when it hits the bottom, guys, I will call it out so that you guys can buy in as well. Guys, we are seeing an overbought position on the Ethereum charts right now, which means it is about to break out any second now. Guys, our next level of resistance, which we are about to break on the Ethereum charts, is $2,600. And then the one after that will be $2,890. And guys, like I've said, our next level of resistance for Bitcoin is 46,000. Guys, for Dogecoin, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows, which means we are currently on an uptrend. So this time, more than ever, you want to wait for my trade alert as to when to buy in, especially on an uptrend. And guys, if Dogecoin lags behind, don't fear. Still, hold with diamond hands because it may be a day or two later that you see it pump hard, just as we've seen time and time again. Guys, what matters most is Bitcoin and Ethereum. The whole market moving up along with it. Because guys, what will that do? That will in turn cause Dogecoin to pump as well. So guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already, join my Patreon. It's incredibly cheap and invaluable, and it's in the top pinned comment as well. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales are sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well. or hold with diamond hands. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you in the next video.